So we're here checking up on a system that we did about 2 years ago probably. I'm getting through so many jobs I don't even remember how long ago they were. As you guys can see, we got the downspout here, D-box, pop-ups right there at the corner. Then we also put this here. That way he can capture all this surface water in here. We have all the downspouts in here routed out. We'll clean that up right now. Gotta love French Drain Man's supplies. Makes it so much easy. So we didn't install that pipe, that was already under here. What we did is we changed the downspout clean out. We put our downspout clean outs from French Drain Man. Then we wired both of those pipes right here. He wasn't ever able to grow grass here. There was just so much water here. Now look at this. He's finally grown grass here. We installed the grass right after we were done. Little minimal debris. That's what I love about these things. Minimal debris. I just gotta get some of this out of the way. Open it up for you guys. So you guys can see inside. So this is something that I do for my clients. We check up on the system, make sure everything's running properly. You know, you as the client too. This is just to show you how easy access. So all I have to do is go around the lid over top, move this debris out to the side. Let me put this down real quick. The phone heated up because I left it right here. This is where I was showing you guys. So the phone was getting hot, the sun was beaming at it. This is amazing because all this would have been in your pipe. Everybody's always talking junk about corrugated pipe. So I'm getting all this out the way now for this client. No hydrojetting involved, no nothing. I already pulled this out. Like I said, he wanted to see what was in the basins, the distribution boxes. Not a lot of debris, that's great. We have 3 pop-ups here, one at each corner of the property. And I'll be cleaning out the ones in there. And this puppy right there is fine. So we have one pop-up over there and one over there. So this is all the debris. This is what we took out of here. I want to show you guys how simple. So this was at a certain level that debris glided through and made it over to the pop-up, which I was able to take out with no problem. Not this. This is what I ripped out of the top. But that's it. It wasn't hard to clean. Everything's dry. There's no water sitting here. And they had a rain event before I got here. So the pop-up on that corner is holding a little bit of water. But you can see the dry wells underneath the catch basins are doing their job. There's no water sitting here. There's a little bit in there. Teeny bit. So now we'll get all this in bags. Ready to go. This is what French Drain Man's products help you tremendously with. It's a nice big Lowe's bag. All this organic material, all this roof shingle gravel, crap, debris would have clogged up a normal system. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 downspouts, 3 D-boxes, and 3 clog-free pop-ups. We go from there, D-box, pop-up, downspout, downspout, downspout. Everything's wired together. Plus we're collecting the little piece we have in here. We cord right here to collect any bulk water. So we're running all this on this side. 1 D-box, 1 pop-up. Same thing over here. We have 3 downspouts, 1 D-box, 1 pop-up. And it was an easy, clean, quick, no problems. Now he's ready to go for the next storms. This is what I want to show you guys. These are key points, especially to a downspout drain. Downspout clean out, not quite a 90 at the bottom. French Drain Man's distribution box / catch basin, and French Drain Man's clog-free pop-up. And you have no issues. Easy clean, easy maintenance, no headaches. You saw how these were stuffed, gone, ready to go. Amazing landscape. So on to the next one. If you guys want to see more videos, you want to let me know what type of video you want to see or anything, I'm not here to explain everything in detail, but I will show you results all the time.